So here we have the MC-Square150, and this is a pretty handy little square. Now this has inch markings on both sides and small cutouts every quarter inch for scribing lines. And what I really like about this square is that the holes are big enough that I can use this pencil even with its thick lead. As you can see, the square makes drawing parallel lines super easy. And this square allows you to measure from the inside using these measurements or from the outside using these measurements. A unique feature of this square is it has this protractor built in, so you can use that to easily draw out a specific angle. And this edge guide is removable, so you can take it off and draw a circle. Just hammer a nail or screw in here, and then spin it around like this, and now you have a perfect circle. Now, the square does have its cool features, but taking a closer look at the color of the anodized aluminum, it's actually a bit purple and not that pure red like this, which isn't a big deal, but the pictures I looked at were a lot more red. And I will point out that these edges aren't the best of quality as you can see here, but it doesn't really seem to affect my lines.